Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we'll be unboxing the Snowball ICE Blue Microphone. So let's get into this unboxing. So have a quick look at the box. On the side we've got the logo, the little phrase that Snowball use, sound as cool as you look. And then if we just go in, you will see that they have a custom condenser for clear audio. We have a USB side, and we also have a rugged adjustable mic stand. So now onto the back of the box. As you can see, it also says it's a plug and play USB microphone, improves audio quality for Skype, messages and FaceTime, record instruments or vocals, create podcast and add narration to your home movies, add crystal clear audio to recordings for YouTube, and it's a plug and play direct mic with no drivers to install. So if you just have a look around the other side of the boxes. You can see that there's some requirements, and the requirements are Windows 8, 7 or Home Edition, and for Mac anything above iOS 10. So now let's get this out of the box and we'll have a look at it. As you can see, there's two boxes within the box. One contains what looks like the actual mic, and the other one contains the stand and USB cable, I think. So we'll get the main box out of the way and we'll have a look at the small box first. So you open this from the side and we'll have a look what's inside. So first of all, you've got the aluminium stand. Just fold that out to one side for now. And we've also got a USB cable, which you'll just plug straight into the back of your Mac or Windows computer, tablet, laptop. And then we have an instruction manual as well, which you can look at freely in your own time if you wish to. Which, to be honest, I don't think you'll need. You literally just plug it in, select the mic that you want to use, obviously the ICE Snowball, and you're away. So now we'll put the little box out of the way and we'll have a look at the main mic box. So to open this one, you just pull the sides out from both sides, just like I'm doing here, and there you go, there's your mic. It's quite a big and bulky thing. It's a bit bigger than what I expected. You've got your ball joint on the bottom, and on the back is where your cable attaches. So looking around the mic, there's no power buttons or anything. All that you have is the red light on the top, which comes on when the USB is plugged into your device. So here we go, let's attach the stand. It's as simple as it comes. You just put the end of the stand in and screw until it's tight. Now that we've attached the stand, what we need to do is you need to get your USB cable that comes within the packet. As you can see, there's two ends. There's the USB end and like a printer sort of a connection. The printer connection goes into the back, It can only go in one way as well. And then the USB adapter obviously goes into your said device. And as you can see, when it's plugged in, you'll have a red light on the top, which is a bit difficult to see, but I'll bring it closer, and there you go, the red light's on top. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and look out for future videos.